物不会流泪，但爸爸妈妈会。
那些欺负你的坏人，我都记下来了。长大了我要打回去。我有本事，我也能打回这些。你就不用再辛苦。馒头是不是就可以当你爸爸了？
大雨中的大谷子在别人眼里可能是个逃犯，但在馒头眼里一定是位好父亲。他一生都活在别人的偏见里，也没有正经的名字，因为民以食为天，所以大家都叫他大谷子。在逃跑的过程中，意外捡到了被抛弃的小孩，两个被世界抛弃的人，却拼凑出了最温暖的家。大谷子这一生过得潦草又心酸，可当他见到沉船中的孩子时，第一次有了软肋，从此不再四处逃亡。因为谷子生馒头，所以给孩子取名叫馒头。他拼了命的赚钱想养活馒头，可他是一名逃犯，即使再拼命也会有人唾弃。
听说你是逃犯吗？逃犯还得工钱？我们想领赏钱。
因为这句话，因为他的身份，他不想让馒头被别人看不起，所以始终不让馒头叫他爸爸。
为什么别人都叫老爸，我要叫你名字呢？是因为馒头没本事，有本事了就能叫老爸了。
他觉得自己不配，甚至想让别人收养馒头。
可不可以收养馒头？
但他认为馒头以后一定会有出息，那可是他养大的孩子。
你会一定比我有本事的多。
可是大谷子你那么厉害，
那当然，我是谁啊？我可是馒头的，
看谁跑得快。
馒头看出了他的为难，所以主动转移了话题。可馒头怎么会不知道他逃犯的身份？官府的通缉令，周围人的闲言碎语，还有人想拿大谷子去领赏钱，这些全都在告诉馒头，那个拼命养他的人是个逃犯。可那又怎样？那也是拼命养他的人，也是他认定的父亲。大谷子一辈子贪财胆小，可当馒头受欺负时，大谷子会毫不犹豫地替他出头。他听说戏骨船的叶灵段价值连城，为了让馒头换一个体面的出身，哪怕明知戏骨船充满危险，但他还是带着馒头奔赴绝境，却意外被引骄寄生变成怪物。可即使变成
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
光明那头追赶